Light Tower, your one-stop shop for lighting and electrical. Wansu Wumogusi.
Semeri kwa no manju muri ndo se sobere ni wenda gutwara litiko ligia nene karo litiko ya chuma mosi dari kemeronge bene sano na ibere mutinyo watana watu mwako jirubere ne meronge bene bere krengo kwa ne SMS mangana maye chinse komi ilingwere na lero to gusangiri kulia na to ndata gusangiri kulia kete kabone no kubori kwa na kranso ike ilingwere ayomo na mange na lero to kwa na chinse ji ikomnyono na boko ndo to bwa sensa meri mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital Wega sensa media YouTube na boko tonyora Ndizi TV News Wagonyo chinga kina boko tweet @Ndizi TV News wega na boko to mekerengeri gyao wetera sinamba era seskini ya igura go ngonya sensa media yomorwe manyerio ni akorogwa choshwauta neriane Brighton Makoli Homurai wekia magio DM Raila Odinga nando yorigetie kiroya kanene wetera somo wa asimiuro moja wa Kenya nigoli tukulera nyaraga kumira na ne board eli atenenete chikampeni che bomo wa asimiuro moja asato gia board iyo na wate abuna nigo bakorete mirimo emia anene kerobono baganyete okonachwa wiki na kiribanya tiba wiki aseka mbere kanene kigo chukona chochitari kisano chumutenyi ogoja ka okwana ekeromena ne board iyo nigate abune board iyo niyo yakorete mirimo emia eyerete konyo achikoro chinyinge ekerobo choli bwa korokanda chitari kikiando motenyi watana ototo omwakoyoiga.
Board has steered the campaign. They have been very engaged in designing strategies of our campaign, and I'm very grateful for the job that they have done so far. As you know, that we have sent a petition to the Supreme Court, and we are eagerly awaiting the outcome.
Hasa jinga geje joro ila niganyara kawate abuna niga waenda da kubeke meroberi abena kwena kiuna obore ndingo chibore kwena kiwa hasa jinse mogo se hasa jinse jirichi koro siomo wa Africa ose East Africa kwa na sense meye kero menane body yo nigate abune ene elenjere ya moja uchikwena kiuna obore ndingo tingi ubora sense yetu ya Kenya iligusuka ujibosio na kumuke virengo vya uchumi igoro.
We also talked about regional issues, this is security in this region, the Horn generally, and we told him that we are very much committed to ensuring stability in this region, that we will continue to make our contribution as a country when we get government to deal with the threat of terrorism and also to ensure that stability comes back to our region. This basically is was the content of my discussions with the Secretary General of the United Nations.
Voigo hoyo le munyakiro we body yo ye campaign nigo se ya lengi okore campaign yo mabasi miuro moja wa Kenya nando lengo mugabana we county ya Laikipia nderi tumirithi na ere ni anyarire kaote abuna ense ya Kenya netakere go twaro burayo buya asubega teberuna oburayo buya nigo bogo jana barayi bali bakubwa chikura asenjera yo bwene no bwasyo kunere ni gaya kwana ya karbomirana na Raila Odinga amo na barayi bande ne bali ase body yo
We want to say to the country, we must get away from running the affairs of the state on the basis of the briefcase that some of our colleagues would like to return us to. That coalitions that we form must, of course, be based on principle, not just on convenience and in fulfillment of people's stomachs. We want to encourage the country and our supporters to stand tall as we put greater effort to ensure that we are building better democratic practice for our great Republic of Kenya.
Boigo hase kerabalenga somo yugo yumpanya ba ukwanira neno bachori bonne bogo chokorekana abachori bo chokorekana se county Mombasa hamoneri ya Kakamega eri obo chokorekana litko dia chumata to korekana baraboni go ate namba semereti namba chiko bwebiro byo bogavana ase county eri ya Kakamega na Mombasa ase boigo chibunge chirijita agite chikura na baromba semereti na bachikanyore birogo asobonge asobachori bo korekana litko dia chumatatu.
Na nataka kuwashukuru sana kwa vile kama Wakenya tumepiga kura kwa amani, hatukuwa na vurugu. Watu wengi walifikiri kutakuwa na vurugu, lakini tumepiga kwa hali ya amani, na tunataka hii amani iendelee mpaka koti ituambie maamuzi yao ni yapi ili tupeleke Kenya yetu mbele.
Tegaro togosuka bosioni go omo wasiri bwejinde mero falida kanulei nera nyarire kago togia ba Kenya anene ekerobanya te gutwara marembe karutwara sobo chorio bonne bumwa koyeka ukwana nigatebruna ogutwara okuko marembe na kukwa irere Kenya egosuka gochibosio.
Though we know we have a strong watertight case and we are prepared to go for a rerun, and we know when we go for rerun Baba will be the fifth. But I just want to say one thing about Mombasa. As all of us are going to Mombasa and Kakamega, to make sure that those are our traditional seats and we bring it home. But in Mombasa, it's really unfortunate that the CEO of IEBC recruited his wife to be the county returning officer for Mombasa, one Swaleh Yusuf. One, that is a conflict of interest. Number two, there's a scheme to deny the people of Mombasa their will and to rig, and we're not going to allow that.
Ensemo yabara ikurwasi county ya Kisumu ne chibungatie county ya Kisumu ni gawana ba mochiri anene baribanya teba kurukurwasi nsemeyo na waswa asobomo bwa Kenya kwanza ba motarete murayo machole Dr. William Ruto litukure igoro na gatabuna nigo ba soire asomo bwa Kenya kwanza ba ukwana ni gawana ba tebiruna barabumbara swa gose Kisumu tera asomo bwa Kenya kwanza aseba tebiruna barabu balita yale ko asomo bwa Kenya kwanza na bali ba chetororo nigo ba chete barubuka abanyene.
A purported defection by our friend David Ochieng and his ilk, Mheshimiwa Outa and former Governor Jack Ranguma to Kenya Kwanza. I want to tell the people of Kenya that that defection has no basis. It is an exercise in futility. And it is not going anywhere.
Asense Mary yejigosori skuru yaba muraya nduru boys ni gobone gendete okarabi asijigosori awo asebono banyarire bagosuka ojigosyo go jasijigosori jali generals asijigosori echo buna omokonyi bumwari mu monene Solomon Mose awo kwanira igoro hakeskuru yendete okarabi asijigosori
ngoro kwa Solomon Mose David Principal nduru boys Duro the bada jitimunye cha itirego chi regionals. I am rugby boys, rugby sevens. Yabu yepene chi point chi nyingi sana. Ane yende handball to bwade, ne yende hockey, ne yende volleyball boys. Again red ball ni ande ko kanango etera. Tuanya rebu jitimunye chinye. Sauri to bwate bidii sana. Vijana mbali kurugeti. Kelewika games bako yende geti ba train kabisa. The training ekogera tokonyara gwa kumpira ne chinguwe kabiri ono mbiambono ona inu toko badebina muacha mwari ri umpira muyenjo ye kabire anda abana baeri baga basoya se emichezo hawa abawaka hockey yo okinori bawaka ne bigurugo baka kabisa baka bagura handball na bawaka volleyball amona football twabwe twasinini sa oli mu mulaterereti agakira anse kira chikanya nsi go lyo mwerio tukabwerwa lakini chingutore sana kango sana toira regionals
habo nongo ikomweri bo mwana itama yechinse komikonene nyoro gikora gense yam yabona marawono chikanyora juamo na manga sense me yechikosoli ngomwirano na Steven Ndemo inda kwerere gosago ikiwika sebiti erindo yakumanya na lya gana koreka ime na isko asebiti korubya gusi ngakichiko so rigenda korekana ime na isko ya gusi goto moja kere bosio gose ensere bosio ni gochikomera na Steven Ndemo asomore gochiko so na bagosore tosuka njiti angorera ba mangana mayichi nse 10 tomirane gekoraga ense ye moyongonya sense meri muri manyererio ni akorokwa choshouta no yorenga sense meri studio ne student kwene kibona amario gya gochera senjira bene chibicha ni akorokwa Mosai James Nigeriane Brighton Makoli.
Ndizi TV obwenso bwomugusi nigo bono yakirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi niji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nichi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore irio yao igoiko yenyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekigo korentera emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV obwensu vuomugusi omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ryubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio bwikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echo chira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti isano na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio togwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echo chira ase nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwechiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe